On today's video, I will be giving you the exact information of the best niches you can use to make money online, and most of them you don't need to show your face. Technology niche is one that has a ridiculous amount of sub-niches, meaning that there is a vast amount of opportunity for anyone that wants to create content in this niche, and competition is not a problem. Technology on YouTube is one that constantly has new trends. Why it's so successful is because these channels have a high CPM in around $10 to $15. The gaming niche on YouTube is by far one of the easiest niches to make money, and you don't even need to show your face. The main aspect of video games is going to be the gameplay. This is being recorded on screen. The good about gaming is that the majority of the games that are popular are free. And what's even better is that new games always comes out, and it's always interesting to see how the new game trends are monetized on YouTube. Some of the most popular channels on the platforms are gaming and are still growing.
Memories
point about business is that information is not easily done. Unlikely other niches where you can make content, such as the top highest paid YouTubers, you can easily grab this information by doing 5 minutes of research on Google. In order to understand business, you need to be able to learn about, such as economy, certain laws, legislation. Business niche is one that has the highest CPM on YouTube, meaning that you only need around 30,000 to 400 views to make around $10,000 profit per month just from AdSense. Starting a traveling YouTube channel is a great idea for those who wish to roam around the world, recording their experience, creating beautiful memories, and earn money at the same time. Also, there is an investment required to buy a camera, travel gear, stay accommodation, etc. Pets and animals are a worldwide favorite. Everybody loves watching a silly cat, a cute puppy, or a dancing and singing bird. You can use this niche to raise awareness for animal rights. Share your top animal training tips and even make a compilation of funny animals from around the world. probably one of the largest YouTube community today, with thousands of big and small creators. This niche includes anything related to beauty, style, and fashion. If you are a nutritionist, a fitness trainer, or just a healthy lifestyle enthusiast, you'll fit right in. This niche is all about good health, exercise, and nutrition. Finance is by far the most profitable niche on YouTube. Allows you to make a ridiculous amount of money from AdSense just because the CPM is so high. You need to gather in all the information with so many categories like stocks, bonds, personal finance, investing.